This here is a factory custom Ivan Mater. He looks completely different to his official release, which I will show you now. We can see here he has a completely different expression, completely different colour paint job, and he's completely inaccurate. You know, that's what makes collecting these factory customs all better. He looks absolutely cool. He was revealed to us around September time, October time in 2023. And yeah, I actually really do like this light blue colour on this Ivan Mater here. So yeah, Ivan Mater appeared in Cars 2. We'll show you an image on the side of your screen right about now. Of course, he appeared in Cars 2 during the Lemon's secret, meeting in Italy. And yeah, he completely screwed over and, was caught out. But yeah, here is his expression. He's got the usual Mater front teeth. Very, very nice. Mine has a slight chip on it, which is unfortunate. He's got a front bumper. He's got the two headlights, which is inaccurate. Well, he's got the one headlight. He should have two headlights, I should say. The engine cover is visible and is a complete light blue colour. He's got green eyes, which is accurate because Mater should have green eyes. He's got red mirrors, which is inaccurate. He's got the four lights on the top, which is also inaccurate. He's got the red tow hook. The front bit should be red. It's completely one of the worst factory customs in ages, but I do like the blue that they gave him though. He's got the wheels, which is again inaccurate. Yellow on this side, and of course blue on this side. Very, very nice. Here we have the back, which reads, of course, his license plate reads PN217-63. And the hooks kind of look like Mickey Mouse ears. And here is the base. Pixar, made in China, and a bunch of information that's missing, like not even Disney Pixar, China. All that information is just completely missing. Now, as I did say, we'll compare him to the Ivan Mater release. So this was released in 2013, I believe. There is no base code, so I believe it's for 2013 in that Mater series. Going over some of the differences, he's completely missing the moustache. He's missing the two teeth at the front. He's missing those little circle decals, as you can see. Missing the headlight. Ivan, he's missing that. Missing the hood. The expression we can gloss over, because if they change the expression, that's a W. Mirrors are completely wrong. Headlights at the top is completely wrong. The colour of the light on the back is wrong. The tow hook is completely wrong. Yes, they might change the colour slightly because it is made in a different part of the factory. On the side, he has a completely different body, I guess you could say. The wheels are inaccurate completely. The license plate is in a completely different position, which is inaccurate. He's missing the red lights on the back, which is inaccurate. They forgot to paint the back bits in, which is again inaccurate. The blue wheel. Just so many things inaccurate with this Ivan Mater factory custom. But I do like it. I actually really do. But can't forget to show off Ivan in this video, just to see the differences. I guess you could say the eye colour is the only one that's not really needed to be changed. The three differences here. Very nice. Comment down below which one Ivan variation is your favourite so far. I've still got two more to show to you, so I'll put these aside for now. I do have this Tomica variation of Ivan Mater, which I got a few weeks ago. Sadly, the condition isn't the greatest, but I'd literally paid nothing for him. The mirrors are way much more accurate than, of course, the official one. Very dusty already. Very cool. There is the base, 2012. License plate PN21763. The tow hook is completely brown, so I guess they based it off the Tomica version, which would actually make more sense because they aren't painted in compared to that. You know, this one still has the hood. And I can't forget to show you guys the Disney Store one, which is based on the Mattel version, and also has the red hooks on the back, which I will show in a second. You can see the back. Sadly, mine is slightly broken, but you know, I'm not too bothered about getting a replacement. And here he is compared to the factory custom. I forgot to colour in the actual winch that, you know, the cable comes down lower on. The Disney Store doesn't have a license plate, so they completely botched that one. And here is the base of the Disney Store London. I believe that's the one in Oxford Street. So yeah, I'm going to zoom out my phone now and show you guys all the Ivan Maters again. So this is the factory custom, the one that we've used today, the official release. We've got Ivan, who was a Kmart exclusive, still is. We've of course got the Tomica variant, Disney Store, my light, okay, and the Tomica variation. So comment down below which is your favourite. Sorry if there is a crackle in the background of this video. At the time of recording this, there is a slight issue with all Android phones. They're getting this random noise. So if you watch this review, just don't turn the volume up to the max. To the very next video, which will be tomorrow, like normal. Peace, everybody.